thing up there.
Where?
My hood, it went down inside the grates. It was about that big. And it looked like a spider.
Spider?
It's under the hood of the truck now. Whatever it was. But it was big.
Oh, come on, lady.
We got to cut them trees beside the front porch. They're taking over the doorway now. One brushed up against me this morning, scared the piss out of me. You can't even tell if there's a snake in over there. Can't get around it. It's done covered up the frog there. No, that ain't what I saw. Got a stinkbug, but that ain't what I saw. What I saw was bigger than that.
Taxi? Taxi?
So I posted about the dog. Everybody likes that idea. Dixon La Casa will be doing that for Christmas. Just don't tell the kids. So the elf on the shelf, doll in the hall.
What's it look like?
Porcelain doll.
It does
Like
what?
Annabelle.
Yeah.
And you move it around like it's possessed. Because the kids can't stand porcelain dolls. Most people can't. I don't have a problem with them. I've always liked them. Just put her in a room. So you're going to keep her overnight, looks like.
Yeah, figured it would.
You're supposed to send her home today.